Welcome to Quiz Gentry, your history quiz channel to all things maritime. Today, let's test our knowledge of RMS Olympic's maiden voyage with 25 questions and just 8 seconds to answer each. But before we begin, we ask that you consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell to stay updated with our quizzes testing your knowledge of iconic vessels. Now, let's dive in to see how well you know about the RMS Olympic. Our very first question, friends. What date did RMS Olympic depart on its maiden voyage? Was it June 14th, May 31st, or July 1st? June 14th it was. Departed from Southampton, 1911. The next question says, what was the first port Olympic stopped at? Cherbourg is in the options, so is Queenstown and New York. Which was it? Cherbourg. Key stop for passengers. Question 3 says, who was the captain of Olympic's maiden voyage? Smith, Wild, and Murdoch are your options. Yes, Smith. Later commanded Titanic. This is interesting, and it says, what ship did Olympic collide with in 1911? Do you think it was Hawke, New York, or Oceanic? It was Hawke. Led to major repairs. 5. How long was Olympic's maiden voyage? 6 days, 5 days, or 7 days? You are correct if you chose 6 days. She arrived New York, June 21. 6. What company owned RMS Olympic? White Star, Cunard, or Hamburg? White Star, same company as Titanic. This should be a bonus, and it says, how many funnels did Olympic have? 4, 3, or 5? 4. 1 was non-functional. 8. What was Olympic's gross tonnage at launch? 45,324, 50,200, or 40,150? $45,324. Largest ship at the time? 9. What type of engine did Olympic have? Triple expansion, diesel, or turbine? Triple expansion, common in ocean liners. Question 10. Where was Olympic built? Belfast, Liverpool, and Glasgow are the options to choose from. Belfast, built at Harland and Wolff. 11. What was Olympic's maximum speed? 23 knots, 21 knots, or 25 knots? "23 knots. Fast for its size. 12. How many passengers could Olympic carry? 2,435, 3,100, or 1,980? 2,435, similar to Titanic. 14. What class was Olympic in? Olympic, Lusitania, or Imperator? Olympic included 3 ships. Question 15. How long was Olympic? 882 feet, 750 feet, or 910 feet? (882 feet), identical to Titanic. 16. How many propellers did Olympic have? 3, 4, or 2? 3. 1 central turbine. 17. What color was Olympic's hull? Black, white, or blue? Black, common for liners. 18. What was Olympic's first reported issue at sea? Vibrations, leaks, or fire? Vibrations, common in large ships. 19. Where did Olympic dock in New York? Pier 59, Pier 56, or Pier 62? Pier 59, later used for Titanic survivors. Question 20. What nationality was Olympic's flag? British, German, or American? British, registered in Liverpool. 21. What was Olympic's nickname? Old Reliable, Big Lady, or Queen Giant? Old Reliable, earned after World War I service. 22. What material was Olympic's propellers made of? Bronze, steel, or iron? Bronze, standard for ocean liners. 23. What was the first ship to see Olympic at sea? Oceanic, Teutonic, or Lusitania? Oceanic, White Star Line ship. 24. How many decks did Olympic have? 9, 7, or 10? 9. Featured extensive facilities. Our last question of the day, friends. What was Olympic's official registry number? 131346, 140578, or 125793? 131346. Recorded for legal purposes. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next quiz. Bye-bye.